very early. And good morning. Hi guys, I'm boiling a chicken. I'm making some bihon, pancit bihon, I think. I don't know, I'm just making some stuff like. There's this smoke coming out from here because of the chicken, guys. I boiled the chicken to get rid of the, there is the smell of the chicken, like, I don't know how to explain it, like, langsa, if in Bisaya, langsa. I get rid of it. I boiled it with a lot of ginger and to get rid of that smell, and then fry it and then start cooking, sauteing it with the Roxy. Get down, get down. I move it all around. Get down. Get down, get down. Roxy, get down, get down. Where are you, Rox? Where's Roxy? No one is talking to me. Tomato. No one's talking to me. Tomato. My husband is always like, he said, oh, I don't know if you will stay over there in Wednesday because, when we're sleeping, you can hear this croquet over here. You can hear noises and then you get scared. And then I don't want you to call me in the middle of the night. Pick me up now. I don't want to think about it. And then he kept reminding me. What's wrong with that? Like, it reminds me of there's a squeaky noises in there. It's just the freaking wind. But they scared me. Him and my sister-in-law scared me.
Nobody's scaring you. You're the one who's afraid of the wind, hon.
Yeah, but I understand about the wind, but the squeaky in the house, the squeaky is in the wind. Like there's a tree beside of the thing, and then it's moving in the wall in the house. So that's what the squeaky noise.
Nobody's trying to scare you. We don't want you freaking out and saying, "Oh, I know, I didn't think it would be so scary." But
He's bad. Okay, cool. I like the walk. I like the walk. How you pronounce it? Walk? Huh? Walk? Walk. It's a witch. Walk. I like the walk that we got from we get this from Costco. I just prepare this thing. This is already in chicken stock. Cooked already, so so I just wanna add this thing, guys, the calamansi. The calamansi savoy. The magic syrup, really small. And yeah, you can see the chicken is a little browny now. So after that, I'm going to put the vegetables. I'm going to put the vegetables. It smells so good right now. It smells so good right now. I'm sorry, guys. Every time I see something, I make it like a song. I make it like a project. You know what I'm gonna do? Add in this one? Water. I add water like that. And after that, I'm just gonna add this bouillon. I add 2 bouillons to make it really taste so good. I add 2 bouillons because I put a lot of water, so 2 bouillon. This is a chicken bouillon. Look how it looks, guys. It looks so good. And it smells so good. Hi, guys! My hat is so freaking weird. Hold on. There's something in the thing. Is what's in here, hon?
It's
a plastic?
Yeah, it's plastic.
Huh?
It's a beer can. It's a beer bottle opener. Well, you could, but it protects it so it doesn't rust. That's for open. It's a novelty thing, so you can open a beer bottle right with your hat.
So I can open a beer using this hat, using this thing over here. There's something over here. Hold on. I don't know. I can't see, guys. Yeah. So we're on the way. It's weird. I'm wearing a hat because I'm like a cowboy right now. I feel like I'm going to do work. Work. Look at the back, guys. So my husband doesn't wear sweater because I don't know. Yeah, I wear sweater because it's a little chilly out, and plus we're going, you know, upstate New York. It's more chilly than where we live. Is your phone have a signal here? Okay. Signal here keep dropping back and forth. So yeah, guys, after this one we're heading to get something. We go to Home Depot. We can't stop to Home Depot because the car is full of stuff. We have to go to the store to get some pen, tool, what I need for printing stuff like that, and that's it. It's very eco-y, guys. We are already in Harbor Freight, and I saw Michael's, and there is Ulta Beauty over there. They have PetSmart, Grooming over there. They have Staples, Barnes and Nobles, and what else? Yeah, so but it's not really close to our area, but it's okay. Yeah, I know. She's looking for grill, but you know, we're not really getting grill, but I don't know, it takes time. Every time he do something, guys, he takes forever.
It's true.
Huh? That's nice.
I like that.
That's nice. You can put vegetables in there, fish, and that's washable, right? Take off. But you forget, right? But okay. My husband said lac and I said wax. I write it down wax. So now we're like confused. Thank goodness I still thinking about the lac, because or else we wind up going back home. We don't get any lac. Stupid me. Finally done running around.
Probably not.
For now. And tomorrow is the waiting day, and plus working to the house and waiting for the people to come over and the gas. Oh, yeah. And what else? Yeah, we're both hungry. My husband doesn't have breakfast since this morning, and he just have a few 3 cups of coffee this morning, and that's really it.
Ready for number 4.
Yeah, so
I'm gonna take my new buggy and go make number 4.
so you know what we did, guys? We really forgot. I'm planning to stay, but it's just like I don't even bring what I need to do, like what I like.
Very well.
Yeah, I don't really like. I really forget. Like if I eat in the morning, I like egg. I don't bring egg. I don't bring a pan. I don't bring an oil. We both like coffee in the morning, but I bring my bread and my croissants and
no butter to cook with.
Yeah, no butter to cook with
No
the
pan
egg.
to cook on.
No pan and
No
nothing.
fork and knife.
We don't have a coffee cup, so we went to Stop and Shop. No, it's not a freaking Stop and Shop. I don't know what's the name of the store.
You have plastic forks and knives there, right?
No, we have the real and the plastic. So yeah, so we went over there. We need a milk anyway, so why not get those things? You know, it's just ridiculous. We have crazy stuff in the house and I forget to bring it.
I got crazy stuff sitting right next to me in this car. Bye, bye.
I'm not, you're the one. You know what, guys, he is the one who crazy. I'm writing down something because we don't want to forget anything. So I said, what else? Say something what we need to get to the store. So he says, okay, tape, clothes something, paint clothes something, okay, and then like brushes, and he said wax. So I write wax, and then I said, Han, what is this wax? When we get to the store we need the wax.
Okay, if I did say wax, you said, Hun, what do we need wax for? Don't buy stuff we don't need. Why are we buying wax? So clearly you knew I didn't say wax, but then you, as you're talking and you're writing and you're doing, and you, instead of locks, you wrote wax, and then when you go to read it, you can't remember what the hell it was all about.
So no, it's not, guys. You have to listen to me. So it's just some.
That's what I said. I said wax
because I don't have any idea what we need for painting. So what I did, I just keep writing what you keep saying, and you said, okay, there's that wax, and then I write wax, and then it said, God, no.
When I said a paint edger, you said, what's that for? That you questioned, and it had the word paint in it.
Because I've been using wax, so I write wax. So this is what happened, guys. When we went to the store, I said, Han, what is wax? We still need to get wax. We can't live without, you know, wax. I said, and he said, so what is wax? And then we leave the store, and then we kept thinking wax. He kept thinking wax. What is wax? What did I see? Why I said wax? And then so we went to Home Depot, another store, and I said, Han, we still need to get lux. You don't put right lux in there. The lux is the wax. He probably see wax, and that's
yeah,
why
I probably said wax because yeah, that's what I do.
So that's what happened. And
my English is not very good, guys.
yeah, his English and his pronunciation is out of whack.
Out of wax.
Out of wax. Oh God. So anyway, guys, I will see you home. We're just gonna have dinner direct to the punk. Yeah, it's really nothing accomplished. Well, we accomplished running around.
Sure.
And that's it.
Yeah,
so
spit.
yeah, so anyway, guys, I will see you later. La 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 la. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you later. We are here, and I just hit my food, guys. This is our first meal. My husband's eating his, and yeah, it's so nice over here. But the weird thing is there's no window cover yet, so it's kind of weird moving here. I'm thinking there's somebody outside watching at me. Nice salad, and we have this dressing over here. Italian. We have a lot of dressing in the house and where we live. But my husband got this in here for here. And yeah, that's the food that we have, and he's just playing with his stuff. So that's it, guys. And the fireplace is on. Yeah, fireplace is on, but it's very empty. Do you see that? Very empty. I'm just waiting. And my husband, you know what, guys? We found this too. It's ceramic. I don't know how you call this, son. This is not ceramic. Ceramic. Yeah, it's a soup thing bowl, but it's a cup. Good night. We're just like making a little balay-balay over here. A little no bed thing. We just put a lot in the floor. Thank goodness I bring a lot of, you know. My husband's not used to sleeping in the floor, so it's gonna be sucks for him. But I put a big pillow here. He can put his body over here. And yeah, so we're good to go. I'm just going to transfer all the thing into my laptop, all the clips today, and I will try to edit it also. Why the light over there? It's not like that before.
What happened?
The light was not like that.
Which light?
Did you see the light?
Yeah, I put that light.
Huh?
I made it like that.
Blink, blink. It's the under the sink. It's blinking. You said you did it. I cut my fingers also, guys. I don't have any idea why I cut it. Hold on. So anyways, guys, good night, and I will see you in my next vlog. And yeah, good night. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Bye bye. Good night.